Hello, this is my overview for an oscilloscope and a signal generator created in Labview. So if we just press play here. So here's the main interface. So we've got currently a sine wave. Down here is the signal generator, and here we can change our signal type as well as the amplitude. Let's go with a sine wave. Here we can change our DC offset, and we can change our frequency. And we have a couple options to switch the multiplier. So here's 1,000 or 100, I mean. And we can do this. And for each of the signals, we can add noise as well. So we have Gaussian and uniform noise. And up here are the oscilloscope options, so we can do the trigger to get it still. We have a cursor, so we can check our values. And over here is the milliseconds per division control. So we can change how much we're seeing on the screen at once, as well as volts per division. In addition to this, there is the fast Fourier transform, and we can see our frequency analysis. Sawtooth wave, that'll have a bunch. And the frequency analysis automatically sets the scale depending on what level your multiplier is at. And that's it. Thank you.